How to choose the right uPVC windows for your modern villa Big Bangla. Today, I want to guide you through choosing the right uPVC windows for a large villa. uPVC windows are increasingly popular due to their durability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency. They resist rust, termites, and harsh weather, making them ideal for coastal or humid areas. When selecting windows, style matters as much as function. For expansive openings, sliding windows provide unobstructed views, while lift and slide doors add a luxurious touch. Casement windows are perfect for kitchens and bathrooms because they allow full airflow. For versatility, tilt and turn windows offer both ventilation and easy cleaning. To enhance aesthetics, bay or bow windows create cozy seating areas, and French doors can add charm and elegance. Beyond style, consider features like reinforced frames for large glass panels, double or triple glazing for insulation, high-quality seals to prevent water seepage, and multi-point locks for security. The finish also plays a key role. Wood grain laminates like teak or walnut give a natural look, while matte or glossy colors suit modern interiors. Finally, keep in mind maintenance and budget. Regular cleaning, checking seals, and lubricating moving parts ensure longevity. The cost varies depending on size, design, and glass type, but investing in quality windows pays off with comfort, aesthetics, and energy savings. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose uPVC windows that not only enhance the beauty of your villa, but also provide lasting performance and comfort for years to come.